Hi guys, today we gonna learn how to make amazing pen vase using color paper and tissue holder DIY easy paper crafts. So you need some required materials. First you have to take a shape of blue color paper. Then take a blank toilet tissue box.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now draw a measurement line with pencil and scale, putting the tissue box on blue paper. Cut through the line with scissor. Glue around the tissue box properly. Attach it by the blue color paper with some more glue. Then cut its excess corners by a scissor. Attach it by glue. Now take a hardboard. Make a measurement with pencil and scale as the shape of tissue box. You can take it small or little large. It may look as like rectangular shape, then cut it through the line. Now take a yellow paper. Make a measurement with pencil and scale covering the rectangular shape paper hardboard. Cut it through the line. Attach the yellow paper with paper hardboard with some glue. Cut its corner by a scissor and cover it by glue. Attach some glue on its one side of the tissue box and attach it on the paper hardboard. Now take a tablet holder and cut it as like showing on the video. Then attach the sizing tablet holder on tissue box with some glue. You may attach different tablet holder. Keep attaching. Make a color on it as like showing on the video. You may attach some extra stone for more attraction. Now make some cloth flower and attach it with glue. If you cannot make flower, then please watch my previous videos. Attach them on perfect place. Wow! How beautiful things you have made! So by this, now you know how to make amazing pen vase using color paper and tissue holder DIY easy paper crafts.